Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Quant for You. My name is Vijay Durga Prasad. Today we will discuss ratio and proportion part 5. Previously we discussed so many questions till part 4. In this session we will discuss mixtures and alloy based questions from the ratio and proportion concept. Clear? So let's see what are the types of questions we are having. See this question. Two vessels contains equal quantity of solution. That means the two vessels, vessel 1, vessel 2 are having equal quantities. For example, vessel 1 is having X liters, vessel 2 also contains how many liters? X liters. Clear? So this vessel 1 contains X liters. It contains milk and water. In which ratio? 7:2 they are saying. And second vessel contains milk and water in which ratio? 4:5. Now these two vessels are mixed together and you will get a final mixture. In that mixture, they are asking milk and water ratio is how much? Milk and water ratio is how much in the final solution. Let's try to find out by using X value. See, vessel 1 contains X liters, vessel 2 also contains X liters. Now this X liters contains milk and water in which ratio initially? 7:2. Here milk and water contains in which ratio? 4:5. Now vessel 1 milk is how much value? Milk is how much value? 7 out of 9 parts into X. Water is how much value in the vessel 1? 2/9 of X. Why? Because 2 parts out of 9 parts into total quantity is X. So vessel 2 milk is how much value? 4 out of 9, because 4 out of 9 into X. Water is how much? 5 out of 9 into X. Now we are adding the vessel 1 and vessel 2 entire quantity. So milk will be added and water will be added. Milk is added means 7/9x. Here milk. Here milk is how much value? 4/9x. This is milk. Okay. Now water. 2/9x in the first vessel plus 5/9x in the second vessel. What they are asking after adding milk and water, that means vessel 1 and vessel 2 entirely. In this one, milk is how much? Water is how much? This ratio they are asking. That means ratio. What is the LCM here? 9. 7 plus 4 is equals to 11x. Here also 9. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7x. 9 cancel, right? X also cancel. What is the ratio we are having? 11:7. So our answer is how much value? 11:7. But friends, remember, without using this X values and all these things, we can solve this question. Observe this. The vessel, first vessel contains, second vessel contains, quantity is same, right? The quantity in the first vessel, the quantity in the second vessel, both are same. If you observe, first vessel contains milk and water in which ratio? 7:2. That means total how many parts? 9 parts, right? Yeah, parts. 7 plus 2 is equals to 9 parts. Vessel 2 contains milk and water in which ratio? 4:5. This one is also 9 parts. Here it is already quantity is same, right? 9 parts, 9 parts. Then directly add it. Milk value is how much value? 11. 2 plus 5 is equals to how much? 7. If you are adding vessel 1 and vessel 2, the resultant mixture, that is vessel 3, resultant mixture contains milk and water in which ratio? 11:7. That is your answer is how much value? 11:7. Sir, here directly you added 7 plus 2, 9 parts. Here 4 plus 5, 9 parts. For example, if you are having 9 parts in the first case, if you are having 8 parts in the second case, what we have to do, or how to approach the question? Okay, this is the type of doubt you are having in your mind. Let's see the next question. We will discuss this one. Two vessels contains equal quantity of solution, contains milk and water in which ratio? Vessel 1 is containing milk and water in which ratio? 1:3, right? Vessel 2 contains milk and water in which ratio? 5:4. If you observe this one, vessel 1 is totally containing how many parts? 4 parts. Why? Because 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. Here 5 plus 4 is equals to how much? 9 parts. In this case, don't add, friends. 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. This is wrong answer. Clear or not clear? That's why I have given this option also. Okay. So 4 parts here in the first case, 9 parts here in the second case. But what they have said, vessels contains equal quantity. That means here equal quantity, here also equal quantity. But what is happening here? Here you are having in the first vessel 4 parts. Here you are having in the 9 parts. In the second vessel you are having 9 parts. You have to make it same. What you will do? 4 and 9. How you will make it same means by using LCM. LCM of 4 and 9 is equals to how much value? 36. That means this first vessel totally contains how many liters? 36 liters. I am assuming. Okay. Here already how many liters is there? 4. I want to make it as 36. Then I need to multiply with the 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 threes are 27. That is milk and water here. In the second vessel, total 9 parts is there. But I need to make this one as how much value? 36. So I need to multiply with how much value? 4. 5 fours are 20. 4 fours are 16. Now if you are adding milk and water, it is already same. 9 plus 27, 36. 20 plus 16 also 36. Vessel 1, vessel 2. Now they are having 36 liters. 36 liters we are assuming. Clear? So what we have to do? 9 plus 20, 29. 27 plus 16, 43. That means final ratio what you will get? 29:43. I hope you understand. In the first case, vessels contains equal volumes. But in the second case, vessels are not containing equal volumes. In that case, what we have to do? We have to make the volumes as same by multiplying with the some value. Clear? Let's see the next question. There are two vessels, A and B. A contains water and milk in the ratio. Observe this one. Water and milk in the ratio. 3:2. Vessel B contains milk and honey in the ratio. Milk and honey in the ratio 5:4. Right? Now observe, vessel A contains milk and water. In which ratio? 2:3. Because water and milk they are saying. Now I am taking milk and water. How much value? 2:3. Vessel B contains milk and honey in the ratio. How much ratio? 5:4. Vessel B contains milk and honey in the ratio 5:4. But we are taking equal quantities, right? That means if we are taking from vessel A, from vessel B, are you following? Here if I am taking something 45 liters, here also I need to take 45 liters. Observe this one. Here 2 and 3. Total how many parts? 9 parts. Here 5 plus 4. Sorry, 2 plus 3, 5 parts. 5 plus 4 is how many parts? 9 parts. I need to make it as same. That is 45. So initially 2 and 3, total how many parts? 5 parts. Second vessel 5 and 4, total how many parts? 9 parts. Okay, total how much value now? 45. That is LCM of 9 and 5 is how much? 45. So here 5 is there, I am multiplying with 9. Here 9 is there, I am multiplying with 5. So milk and water in the first vessel, 9 plus 9 into 2 is equals to 18. 9 threes are how much value? 27. Clear? So here milk and honey. 5 5s are how much value? 25. 5 4s are how much value? 20. This is milk and honey. Now if you are combining all these things, Milk is having totally how many liters? 18 plus 25, 43. Clear? Water is how much value? 27. Honey is how much value? 20. So milk contains in the entire mixture 43 liters. Water is having 27 liters. Honey 20 liters. Is this clear? Now milk, concentration of milk, that is milk percentage they are asking. Milk percentage is how much value? 43 out of 90. Sir, how you are saying 90? Because we made this one as 45. This one as also 45. Total 90 only, right? Into 100 percentage. 0, 0 cancel. Yes or no? That is 430 by 9. 430 by 9. 9 how many times cancel? 4 times 36. Remainder 70. 70 in the sense 7 times cancel. In 70, 7 times cancel. Again also 0.777 you will get like this. So your answer is how much value? 47.78. Clear, friends? Right. Previously, we are having 2 vessels only, right? In all these questions. 2 vessels are there. But here you are having how many vessels? 3 vessels. 3 vessels contains equal mixtures. That means equal mixtures means milk and water in the vessel 1, vessel 2, vessel 3 must be equal. But vessel 1 contains milk and water in which ratio? 6:1. This is 5:2. This is how much value? 3:1. If you observe, vessel 1 is having total how many parts? 7 parts. Vessel 2 having 7 parts. Vessel 3 is not having 7 parts. It is only having 4 parts. 3 plus 1 is 4. I need to make it as same by taking LCM. LCM of 7, 7 and 4. How much value? 28. So I want to make it as 28. So I need to multiply with 4. Here I need to multiply with 4. Here I need to multiply with 7. Why are you multiplying with 7? Because already it is 3 plus 1, 4. I need to make it as 28. Then I need to multiply with 7. Observe. Milk and water in the first vessel. 4 6 are 24. 4. 4 into 5 is 30. 4 2s are 8. 7 3s are 21. 7 1s are 7. Now total milk add it. Total water also add it. 20, 30, 20. 20 plus 30 plus 20. Sorry, 5 4s are 20 we need to write. Sorry, I did a mistake. 20. 24, 20, 21. Total how much value? 65. 7 plus 8, 15 plus 4, 19. Ratio is how much value? 65:19. So answer is 65:19. Clear? Right. Let's see the next question. 3 vessels of volumes are in the ratio 1:2:3. 3 vessels volumes are in the ratio 1:2:3. That means vessel 1, vessel 2, vessel 3 must be in which ratio? 1:2:3. But vessel 1 contains milk and water in which ratio? 2:1. Now it is 2:3. Next 3:2. Last one is 3:2. What they are saying is the vessels must be in which ratio? 1:2:3. That means volumes must be in which ratio? 1:2:3. First what we have to do is you need to make all the values as same. All the values as same. After that we have to come to this condition. What is that condition? Vessel 1, vessel 2, vessel 3 is having 1:2:3 ratio. But milk and water in the first vessel is 2:1. Milk and water in the second vessel is 2:3. And third vessel is 3:2. If you observe, 2 plus 1 is how much value? 3. Next, 2 plus 3 is how much? 5. Next, 3 plus 2 is how much? 5. So LCM of 3, 5, 5. LCM. How much value? 15. So I want to make it as 15 first by multiplying with 5, by multiplying with 3, here multiplying with 3. Why are you doing like this? Because I need the total as 15. Then I need to multiply with 5 first. So 3 into 5 is 15, right? Next, 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 into 3 is also 15. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 into 3 also 15. But if you are multiplying with 5 here, 3 here, 3 here, every vessel is containing 15, 15, 15. But vessel 1, vessel 2, vessel 3 must be in which ratio? 1, 2, 3 ratio, right? That means vessel 1, 15 into 1, vessel 2, 15 into 2, vessel 3, 15 into 3 we need to do. That is volumes 1, 2, 3 you need to multiply. Now, milk and water I am writing in the first vessel. In the first vessel, milk and water. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Next, 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 18, 6 threes are, 6 twos are 12 only. Here 6 into 2, 6 twos are how much? 12. 6 into 3 is equals to 18. Now 3 threes are 9. 9 into 3 is equals to 27. 9 into 2 is equals to 18. Now you need to add all the milk values, all the water values. 10, 10, 20. Total 40. Plus 2 plus 7. 9. 40 plus 9 is equals to 49. 18 plus 18 is 36 plus 5 is equals to 41. So answer is how much value? 49 is to 41. Right? Yes. This is a different question, but process is same. An alloy contains, that is alloy 1 contains zinc, copper and tin in which ratio? 2 is to 3 is to 1. 2 is to 3 is to 1. Another contains equal weights of 1 kg both are taken or melted together. Okay, this is the question. So zinc, copper and tin in the ratio, which ratio? 2 is to 3 is to 1. And another contains, another alloy, alloy 2 contains copper, tin and lead in which ratio? 5 is to 4 is to 3. Equal weight of 1 kg or any kgs, they can say 1 kg or 2 kg or 3 kg or 4 kg or x kg also they can say. Okay, it is fine whether they'll give the quantity or not, it is fine. If equal quantity is mixed together, that is zinc, copper and tin, here 2, 3, 1, here 5, 4, 3. Is it same? Alloy 1 and alloy 2 total quantity is same or not same? Like as previous questions. 2 plus 3 plus 1 total how many parts? 6 parts. 5 plus 4 plus 3 total how many parts? 12 parts. Is it same? No. You need to take the LCM. LCM is how much value? 12. That means it is already 12. I am making this one also 12 by multiplying with the 2. Observe. Zinc, copper, tin. Now it is having 4, 6 and 2. Now here copper, tin and lead 5, 4, 3 only. Why? Because there is no need to multiply with anything. Why? Because it is 12. Here also the total is 12. Now if you are combining or melted together, alloy 1 plus alloy 2 are melted together. Now you are having totally 4 types of metals. What are the total 4 types? Zinc, copper, tin and lead. Zinc is 4 parts here, so write 4 parts. Copper is how many parts? 6 plus 5, 11 parts. Clear? Tin is how many parts? 2 plus 4, 6 parts. Lead is how many parts? 3 parts. Are you following or not? So total lead is how much value now? Total lead is how much parts? 3 parts. Out of 24, right? Yes. Lead value 3 parts out of total value is how much value? 24. But they are asking per kg, right? Per kg. 1 by 8 you will get the lead after mixing. So 1 by 8 of a kg. 1 kg they are asking. So answer is what? 1 by 8 per kg. Clear or not clear? Thank you very much. Keep watching Quant for You videos. My name is Vijay Durga Prasad. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Keep watching.